This is a tutorial on a new feature called Messenger. This is accessible for all users on the system, so parents, teachers, students, and staff. It's a two-way messaging platform. You're going to navigate to your left-hand menu, click under Communication. You're going to click the Messenger link. On the left-hand side of the page will be all of your recent chats, and on the right-hand side is where they will appear. So if I click on, for example, Lucy Winters, I can see the chat between myself and that teacher. The green tick means that the teacher has been registered on the system, and the little three dots is where I could actually archive that chat. So I click the link, and that is then archived. If I want to pull Lucy out of the archive, I can just literally click on the search box. This will display your most recent chats. I can just type in the name Lucy over here, and it'll pull her back into the chat room for me to chat with her again. The parents, the teachers, and the staff also have the option to click on the links at the top. So I could click on, for example, parent list, go into the Sharks class, and I can go ahead and I can write a message. I just click the little green button, and I can send a message to this parent. Same applies for the school staff. If this feature is activated on your school, you can click on, for example, I want to message Jennifer Aniston. I click on the right message box. The students also have the ability, excuse me, you can also message a student by going into the student's profile. So I'm just going to flip across the parent portal. So this is what the parent will see, and they've got a little link on their window called Message Teacher. So the parent can click on that little link, and then they can choose which is because you might have multiple teachers linked to a class, so they can then choose which staff member they want to message. You can upload an image. So if you wanted to, you could upload either just text and send it off to the recipient, or you can click the little icon at the bottom, choose the file, and then send it on. The parent gets the recipient receives a push notification to their mobile device, and they also receive an email as a backup. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.